This is a 1929 Ford pickup truck based on the new Model A. And this could be a 1-ton or 1.5 ton, not sure. The model for 1-ton capacity was the Model TT. The 1.5 ton pickup was the Model AA. Beautifully done. You see that top comes down, and actually it sold for less than the closed cab version. Closed cab version was $475. The open top version was $30 less. Had a 200 cubic inch 4-cylinder engine, 40 horsepower, and the 3-speed manual transmission. And it outsold Chevrolet. The beautiful paint job on this truck, that pale yellow with the black trim, and the great wire wheels. And of course the great hood ornament, which we'll get a close-up of in a second. And there we have it.